Hey guys, welcome back to today's Daily Stoic. Today is July 9th and today's lesson is the Philosopher King. For I believe a good king is from the outset and by necessity a philosopher, and the philosopher is from the outset a kingly person. Musonius Rufus. The Israeli general Herzl Halevi believes that philosophy is essential in his role as a leader and a warrior. People used to tell me that business administration is for the practical life and philosophy is for the spirit, he said. Through the years I found it is exactly the opposite. I used philosophy much more practically. War and leadership offer an unending series of ethical decisions that require priorities, balance, and clarity. That's what philosophy helps with. Plato knew this when he imagined a utopia ruled by a philosopher king. Either philosophers should become kings, he said in the Republic, or those now called kings should truly and sufficiently undertake philosophy. Marcus Aurelius was quite literally that philosopher king. What does that have to do with you? There are fewer kings these days, but we are all leaders in one way or another. Of families, of companies, of a team, of an audience, of a group of friends, of ourselves. It's the study of philosophy that cultivates our reason and ethics so that we can do our job well. We can't just wing it. Too many people are counting on us to do it right. So think about that for a second. Are you a leader of yourself? I mean, is your job leading you? Are your parents leading you? Are your friends leading you? Do you have control over your life? Are you leading you? Think about it, and we'll see you tomorrow.